Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and vacuuming the stairs can be a real chore, especially if you have a full-size vacuum and you have to lug it up and down the stairs just to clean them. It is the worst. But that's why you need one of these Shark Ultra Cyclone cordless vacuums. You plug it in to charge it takes about 3 hours, and then you are ready to go. And this battery lasts a really long time. So you can definitely get all the nooks and crannies that you need done in one charge. I love how lightweight it is. It's right about 3 pounds, so it is easy to hold without getting fatigued. It's also easy for my kids to hold because it's their chore to vacuum the stairs, and they do such a better job at it now that we have this Shark Ultra Cyclone. I like that you can use it as is, but it also comes with 3 attachments. The size of this is great. When I charge it, I can put it behind our curtain and no one is any the wiser that there's a vacuum there. I love how portable and lightweight this is. It holds a really long charge and it doesn't have any cords that you have to mess around with. Plus, it's really easy for both of my kids to use. But that's just my point of view.